will show you something very useful for your phone and for your bike. It is very cheap and very effective, and I think it's really your money's worth. I already have one of these in black, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and now look at the price. It's only 10 bucks, 10 euros. Best deal you will ever find. Yeah, and this is exactly the reason why I was saying it's a very good and cheap investment, and I'll show you in a second. And this is the reason why, because if I would like to run my action camera or whatever on a selfie stick, and I would like to control using the mobile, works perfectly. So it's a very cheap solution for about 10 bucks, Euro bucks. All right, so thanks for watching.